Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Teachers Pay Teachers bundle. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to your shop, and then you're going to go over to your product listings. And then you're going to click on Add New Product. And once you're there, you're going to select what type of product you want, and this is going to be a bundle of resources. So I'm going to click Create a New Bundle. Now this video was inspired by one of our subscribers, Karen, who asked me how did I create my bundles. So I'm going to go ahead and go down to Files, and I'm going to click Select Resources to Include. Now I'm going to go ahead and search for my Black History Month resources that I created. And when I was creating resources, I like to think about how I can bundle them. And I think in the short term and long term of bundling resources. So for short term, year to year, I like to create one big resource and then 2 to 3 supporting resources. So I have my Black History Month self-taught lesson, which is my main resource. I have Black History Month worksheets, an I Spy game, and a printable bingo game. So I have 4 total. I'm going to click Done, and these are my files that I'm going to include in my bundle. So when I scroll down a little further, when you look at the price, altogether these would be $13. So I'm going to create a bundle price of $10 because it's kind of like buy 3 get 1 free. So that's kind of my idea behind my pricing behind my bundles. And now we get to do our product name and description. Now I am excited because I think it's on the 9th. It's this coming Thursday. If you're watching this video on Tuesday, it is on Thursday that they are having a Teachers Pay Teachers search engine webinar. And I'm excited to watch that, and then I'm going to give you my feedback on it. So I'm going to do my best for the search engine. So I'm going to type in Black History Month. So sometimes when you're doing specific topics, there will be an inappropriate content guidelines that they'll want you to review. This happened for pretty much a lot of the seasonal resources that I have done. So like Black History Month, Native American Heritage Month, September 11 resources. So I'm just going to hit continue editing. And it's just saying, be respectful, all that good stuff that I think as teachers we do. So I'm just going to go ahead and start by filling in my name of my resources. So I have my Black History Month no prep slides, and I just copy and paste the information from the listing for each listing. So this is basically my resource description of what is included in my Black History Month no prep self-taught lesson with guided audio. And then I will go in and I will do that for each worksheet. So here is my resource so far. So I have my title, I've got a short description, and then I went into my my resource list. So I said, get ready for Black History Month with this Black History Month self-taught lesson with printable worksheets. I'm going to get rid of the word bundle. This bundle comes with 1 self-taught lesson and 3 worksheet bundles. Below is a detailed look at what comes with this fabulous bundle. So I put resource 1, the name of the resource, all the details about this resource. Resource 2 is my Black History Month worksheets detailed list. Resource 3, I Spy activity. Resource 4, my bingo cards. I've got my files, and now the next thing that I need to do is I need to create my video preview and my thumbnails. So because they've got a semi-cohesive visual design, I want to make it even better by creating a consistent color palette. These two are pretty consistent, but my Black History Month worksheets need some work. I'm going to go over to Canva. So once I'm in Canva, I'm going to go over to my Black History Month trailer that I created. And this one's different because I actually have kind of a preview of the lesson. So I'm going to go ahead and make a copy. And if you just click on the ... you can click make a copy. Okay, and then I'm going to do Black History Month bundle. So I'm going to keep possibly this side the same. So this one is particularly special because the audio I created has a 5-second gap, and then me reading out the lesson like it would be, and then it goes into the rest of the stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I haven't figured out this section yet. I'm probably just going to change the text. So here's what I'm working with so far. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Black History Month bundle and I'm going to drop it in here. And I'm going to see what real estate it takes up. So as you can see, you can't even see some of these pictures of my worksheets right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move them over so that you can see them. So here's what we're looking at so far. And I feel like that looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to align some of these things. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one, press shift, and then click on all of them. And I'm going to go over to position. I'm going to click align bottom. And what that does is it aligns it to the bottom and it makes it look a little bit cleaner. And then sometimes I will just go in and visually align it. So I will do that. And then I will take these two on the edge position and align them to the bottom just so that it looks a little bit more visually cohesive. Then I will click these and I will click position, align to the top so that they're aligned at the top. And then I'll just kind of see how it looks. And then what I'll do is I'll probably just enlarge this to help cover some of the areas that I think could be hidden. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little square at the bottom to help weigh down the composition and just to make it look a little bit different. I might change this to white because I feel like the white really helps it pop. And then I want to have a consistent color palette, so I'm just going to copy the color code and make sure it's consistent throughout the whole design. Because by having a consistent color palette, it helps your design look more polished. And they have white text consistently. I'll put the white text here just so that it looks a little bit more consistent with this specific bundle. And I will get rid of this main page. So here is what my bundle images look like so far. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click share, I'm going to click download, and I'm going to do a video file. And then once that's downloaded, I'm just going to go over to the downloads, and I will add PNG. And then if it does not transfer well over to a PNG, sometimes they're too large, I'll do a JPEG. So here is my final listing. I've got my video preview. Should I be doing a resource preview? Yes. Am I? No, just because I don't have the time. Eventually, I would like to go back to add the file previews because I heard that they bump you up in the list, but right now, I just don't have the time to do it. So I have all my resources. I've got my covers and my video preview. I have my listing price. Originally it was $13, now it's $10. It saves $3. And then I need to add my listings to it. And then I will go to holidays and seasons. And then I will add Black History Month to it. Then I will go down to history. I'll add African history. And then I will add activities. Printables. I'm trying to look for Google Slides, Google Apps. I'm not going to put in any of the slides because like that number should be good. I have that all information kind of up in the listing. Go ahead and add it if you want more details, the better. And then I test that I have used copyrighted and or trademark materials in my products, but it does not infringe upon the rights of others. To the best of my ability, it is not. I've given credit where credit is due, and just from my understanding of copyright issues, I feel like I'm good on this. And then I'm going to click submit. Oh, I need to put in a tax code. So my tax code is streaming electronic downloads. I will click submit. Now this video has been condensed down so that it's not you watching me type in information. But what it is that this bundle took me 40 minutes to list. So that includes video thumbnails, all that good stuff. So here's what the listing looks like. The video isn't up yet because it takes time to process. So it'll eventually go up. And here is the listing and what it looks like. And that is how you create a bundle on Teachers Pay Teachers, and my idea kind of behind the whole bundle. My idea behind how do you create bundles. Also, I wanted to take a moment to thank everyone who has subscribed because we have had amazing growth on these videos, and I'm very appreciative of your subscribing and you liking this video and all that good stuff. I wanted to give a shout out to Karen, one of our subscribers, for giving me the idea for this video. And then I wanted to give a shout out to all 4 of the kids with Miss C who gave me a suggestion on what TPT YouTube creators I follow and my links to my social media. So I'm not great with social media, so I'm working on that. But I will link my Teachers Pay Teachers store below, and I will link my favorite Teacher Pay Teacher YouTubers. So that's Becca Davis, Rolling Acres Education, and I think it's Kristen's Classroom. Those are the ones that I like to follow. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave a comment below on your takeaways from this video and what videos you would like to see. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I picked out a few videos over here that I thought you might like. See you next time.